Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a switching of the bags and also a what fits in my bag. So this is the bag that I carried yesterday, which was Friday. And if you are a member of my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, you know that every Friday is what we call Florentine Fridays, where we all pull out and carry one of our beautiful Florentine leather bags. So this is the bag that I decided to carry, which is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather drawstring bag in the color black. And this is the original drawstring in the Florentine leather. As you guys know now, there is also the Hattie drawstring that is still such a beautiful, beautiful bag. But in my opinion, there is nothing like a classic. And this drawstring is a true Dooney Bourke classic. So if you are interested in seeing what I am switching into, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the bag that I am going to be switching into is my Dooney Bourke medium mail bag in the color black. Absolutely beautiful. You guys, if you have not checked out my live unboxing of this beautiful bag, I will put a link below so you can check it out. It was a live stream and we had lots of fun. So be sure to check out that video if you have not done so already. Okay, so here she is, the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium mail bag in the color black. Absolutely beautiful bag. I think that this style bag is perfect for those weekend grab and go type bags, but you can still be classy, you can still be stylish. Absolutely beautiful. You don't have to again worry about corner wear or color transfer or spots or anything like that. So this is the perfect bag for those short trips or even long trips whenever you want to be hands-free. So let's see the items that I paired with this bag, and I am actually calling this a blackout because all the accessories that I chose are black accessories. So the first item here is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large zip around wallet, and then we have my medium Florentine leather cosmetics case in the color black. We have the medium Florentine leather wristlet in black. We have the pebbled leather coin case in the color black. And finally, we have the pebbled leather card case in the color black. And lastly, I have my large sunglass case. So now let's just see how these items fit into the medium mail bag. Okay, Doonistas, so here she is all emptied. So let's just take a quick look on the inside. So she has the Dooney Bourke patch. On the back wall, she has a large zip pocket, a large slip pocket, and on the other wall, she has the pocket with the snap and then just the smaller little accessory pocket. But as you can see, she has tons of room. Really, really nice size bag. So let's get started. Let's start with the large Florentine leather zip around wallet. And we're going to just put that on the back wall. And let's go in with the medium wristlet. And what I carry in here is just some hand sanitizer wipes and then just some other little goodies in there. So let's just put that right in front of the wallet. As you can see, fits very nicely. And next, let's go in with our medium cosmetics case. And what I have in here is just some Carmex, some hand lotion, a mirror. I have my little lucky duck right there, and just some stevia packets. So let's just put that in front of the wristlet. Still lots of room. So now let's go in with the pebbled leather coin pouch, and I'm going to try something a little bit different. I normally put my coin pouch, because this is my work badge and my work keys, I normally put it on the back wall slip pocket, but for today let's try to put it in this snap pocket. And okay, that fits really, really nice. I probably won't snap it, but as you can see, that coin pouch fits perfectly in that little pocket. So now I'm going to go in with my pebbled leather card case, and this is in the color black. And I am going to put that just in this little pocket here, the little small accessory pocket, because as we know, a cell phone these days will not fit in that pocket. So here we have it, and we still have tons of room on both sides of this bag. So let's go in with my large sunglass case, and these are prescription sunglasses, so I always carry those. And here we are. As you can see, we still have like tons of room in this bag. And then I am one to use the key keeper. I absolutely love the key keeper. So I'm going to put my keys here. And since I normally put my keys in the snap pocket from the key keeper, I am going to switch it up, and I'm going to put it on this back wall in the slip pocket. And it still fits perfectly. It's out of the way. I know to reach in my bag and grab the key keeper. And for you guys who don't know, the key keeper is always on the right hand side of the bag. So as you see, this bag will be against your body like this, and when you open it up, it will be, the key keeper is going to be on the right hand side. So I always know if I am carrying a bag either on the crook of the arm or as a shoulder bag, I know that that key keeper is always going to be on the right hand side. So I just reach in, grab it, and having it in a designated pocket, I know exactly where to find them. So anyway, guys, again, here is just how she is packed, and still room for a water bottle if you carry water bottles, or if you carry any body sprays or lotions or scarves or gloves or anything else. You still have plenty of room to be able to pack those items into the medium mail bag. Absolutely love this bag. The back pocket, I probably won't put anything in, but I know I normally say that I don't put anything in my back pockets, like on my Clayton or my satchel with pockets. I don't normally put anything in the back pocket, but with this bag, I probably will, because it is black. It already has a beautiful patina, so I don't have to worry about any prints or anything like that, any rubbing against the body and leaving that cell phone print. That's the one thing that I don't care for with the bags with the back pockets. So anyway, here we are, and this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium mail bag in the color black. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a medium mail bag in the color black, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye, guys.